Alright guys, I built this. I show it to my friend. Can you see this guys? DX tower, a face, FU, and you just got trolled over there. So funny guys. Okay, that's all. This is what happens when you mess with the deliberator. It would. Oh, I found another puzzle. I just a robot. Okay, this is what happened. You would have like this. Looks like Mickey Mouse. Oh my God, then it's Mickey Mouse. This what happens if you miss a delivery. Mickey Mouse will land on your village, town, or anything like that. What happened over there? Mickey Mouse. What happened? Like that. It's a mouse. Oh my God, sick.